Okay, welcome back. Um, let's see, I've finished doing that thing I needed to do. Little Caesars is very good. Anyways, so number 103, we have 8r to the fourth plus 15r cubed minus 19r squared plus 24r all over r plus 3. So now we're just doing longer polynomials here, or longer polynomial division. So we're starting off with the power of the 4, then third, second, first. However, to set up our synthetic division, it's no different. It doesn't really matter how long our polynomial is. The important part is that we're able to pull off synthetic division if we have a variable plus or minus a number. So again, we're going to negate whatever this number is. We have a negative 3, and we have, we make our box. And then for r to the fourth, we have 8. For the third, we have 15. R squared, we have negative 19. For r, we have 24. And we have to be careful here because we need to go all the way until we have a constant term, and we don't have a constant here. So we do have to put a placeholder 0. And so, just like before, we bring down whatever this number is. It doesn't matter what it is. So we have an 8. And now we have negative 3 times 8 is negative 24. 15 minus 24 is going to be negative 9. And then negative 3 times negative 9 is positive 27. And positive 27 minus 19 is going to be 8. And then negative 3 times 8 is negative 24. 24 minus 24 is 0. And then negative 3 times 0 is 0. And 0 plus 0 is 0. And so this is where that placeholder 0 is very important, because this is our remainder, this is our constant. We have r squared, r cubed. And now when we write our answer, we have 8r cubed from this column minus 9r squared from this column plus 8r. And notice that in this problem, we don't have a constant in our answer. And that's okay, but this placeholder 0 here is what ensured that we had the correct answer. So very important to check for those. Anyways, so let's move on to 104. So for number 104, we have r to the fourth minus 3r cubed minus r squared minus 12r. And this is all divided by r minus 4. So we have a negative 4 here, so we flip the sign and we get a positive 4. And then setting up our synthetic division, we have a coefficient of 1 here for r to the fourth. So we have 1. R cubed has negative 3. R squared has a negative 1. R has a negative 12. And again, we're missing a constant here, so we have to put that placeholder 0. Bring down this number, so we have 1. And now 4 times 1 is 4. Negative 3 plus 4 is 1. 4 times 1 is 4. Negative 1 plus 4 is 3. 4 times 3 is 12. And negative 12 plus 12 is 0. 4 times 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. Our remainder term, constant, r squared, and r cubed. So for our final answer, we have 1r squared, r cubed. We do have 1r squared plus 3r, and that's it. We don't have a constant, and we don't have a remainder. And so this is our final answer. So for number 105, we have 7x to the fourth plus 10x cubed minus 7x squared plus 2x divided by x plus 2. So we have a plus 2 here, so we negate it, and we have negative 2. And set up our box. For x to the fourth, we have 7. X cubed, we have 10. For x squared, we have negative 7. For x, we have 2. And with no constant term, we have a placeholder 0 here. Bring down this number, we have 7. Negative 2 times 7 is negative 14. 10 minus 14 is negative 4. Negative 2 times negative 8 is positive 8. Sorry, that was negative 2 times negative 4 is positive 8. Negative 7 plus 8 is 1. And negative 2 times 1 is negative 2. So 2 minus 2 is 0. Negative 2 times 0 is 0. And 0 plus 0 is 0. This is our remainder, our constant. Then we have x, x squared, and x cubed. So writing our answer, we have 7x cubed, negative 4, so minus 4x squared, and plus x. No constant, no remainder. So this is our final answer. For number 106, we have n to the fourth minus 14n cubed plus 51n squared minus 30n all over n minus 5. So this is a minus 5 over here. Oh, am I seeing some lag here? Okay. Well, so this is a positive 5 right here since we're negating the negative 5. Make our box for synthetic division. For n to the fourth here, we have a 1. For n cubed, we have negative 14. For n squared, we have 51. For n, we have negative 30. And with no constant term, we have a 0 here. Bring down this number, we have a 1. 5 times 1 is 5. Negative 14 plus 5 is negative 9. 5 times negative 9 is negative 45. 51 minus 45 is positive 6. 5 times 6, positive 30. Negative 30 plus 30 is 0. 5 times 0 is 0, and 0 plus 0 is 0. This is our remainder, constant, n squared, and n cubed. So interpreting our answer, we have 1 n cubed, minus 9n squared, plus 6n, no constant and no remainder. So this is our final answer. Moving on to problem 107. So for 107, we have x to the fourth minus 5x cubed plus 7x squared minus 35x all over x minus 5. So for this, we have a minus 5 here, so we write positive 5 on the outside of our box. And now for x to the fourth, we have a coefficient of 1. For x cubed, we have a minus 5. For x squared, we have a positive 7. And for x, we have a negative 35. We have no constant term, but we have to put a placeholder 0 for that. We bring down our 1. Now we have 5 times 1, which is 5. Negative 5 plus 5 is 0. 5 times 0 is 0. 7 plus 0 is 7. And 5 times 7 is 35. Negative 35 plus 35 is 0. 5 times 0 is 0. And 0 plus 0 is 0. Remainder, constant, x, x squared, x cubed. And so to interpret our answer, we have 1 x cubed from this column here. We have 0 x squareds, so we can disregard that. We have 7 x's, and that's it. We don't have a constant, we don't have a remainder. So this is our final answer. Maybe you hear my cat, sir. And for 108, last one for this video, we have 5p to the fourth plus 34p cubed minus 38p squared plus 80p all over p plus 8. So since this is a plus 8, we put a minus 8 outside of our box. And now for p to the fourth, we have 5. For p cubed, we have 34. P squared, we have negative 38. For p, we have 80. And for our constant, we have 0. Bring down this first number, we have 5. So we have negative 8 times 5, which is negative 40. 34 minus 40 is negative 6. Negative 8 times negative 6 is positive 48. Negative 38 plus 48 is positive 10. And negative 8 times 10 is negative 80. So 80 minus 80 is 0. Negative 8 times 0 is 0. And 0 plus 0 is 0. This is our remainder, constant, p squared, and p cubed. Interpreting our answer, we have 5 p cubes, negative 6 p squared, and plus 10p. And so, with no constant and no remainder, this is our final answer. So that wraps up section 9, and that's it. So I will see you guys in the next one.